is Michelle from the Bead Gallery, and today I'm going to show you how to get a lot of little threads into one teeny end crimp like this. So if you look at them closely, it's very hard to put all of the ends independently into the end crimp, and it's also actually impossible to gather all of them like this and pull it through at one time, which would be ideal, but check it out. That is not going in there. Okay. So what you do when this situation comes up is to split your bundle in half, your bundle of threads, and we're going to do half at a time into the end crimp with my magic fishing line needle. These things are the best. We use them in our stretchy cord bracelets. This little black fishing line here. And I use them for all kinds of things. So there's half my bundle is in my end crimp now. I'm going to get my fishing line and put it back in the end crimp. Like so. Then I'm going to get the second half of the bundle. And pull. And now all of my strings are in my end crimp. Okay, and then we're going to just push the end crimp where I want it to go. And it usually helps to get all the strings on one side of the crimp loop. So we're going to use the fishing line one more time and get everybody on the same side. And pull this down like that. Right here where we want it. And then we're going to just squeeze the end crimp and we're done. Bye!